अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। वालेकुम अस्सलाम, वालेकुम अस्सलाम। Everyone will show me your 8-number book. Yes, now everyone will show me your 8-number book. 8 number. 8 number. Yes, Tazmin, very good. Ayat, very good. Zavi, very good. Mariam Rahman, very good. This here, this is your 8-number book, Phonic Primer Reader. You can see this Phonic Primer Reader. This is your 8-number book. Okay. So everyone take out your 8-number book. And you all are going to open page number 7. Okay, open page number 7. Yes. Okay. Now, first we are going to read. This is your lesson number 1. Okay, I'm sharing you the page. Let's have a look. This is your lesson number 1. We are going to start the lesson. ठीक है, हम लोग lesson start करने वाले हैं. So first we are going to read it. Okay, पहले हम लोग सबसे पहले read करेंगे उसको. Okay, now everyone is going to read after me. मेरे बाद सब लोग read करेंगे. Okay? Yes. See, I'll show you the page first. See, this is your page, page number 7. Okay. Do one thing. First of all, write date here. Write today's date here with the pencil. Yes, write here date with the pencil. Today's date is 9/8. Okay, like this. Inaya Khan, nobody is going to write anything on the screen. Huh? You have to write in your book. Okay, first we'll do the reading work. पहले हम लोग reading work करेंगे. Okay? Yes, Myra, you're very good. Yes, now listen. One by one, I'm going to tell you to read after me. आप लोग मेरे साथ मेरे बाद repeat करेंगे. Okay? चलो, Myra, Maisra, and Mariam Rahman. Turn on your mic. Yes, now you're going to repeat after me. मेरे बाद repeat करेंगे आप लोग. Okay? Come on. A-M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Look into the book, dear. Maisra, look into the book. Yes. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Man. Next word, R. R. A-N. R-A-N, ran. 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 Okay. T-O-2. T-O-2. Next word, T-H-E, the. Very good. Now last word, V-A-N, van. And van, V-A-N, van. Okay? Yes, very good. Now, yes. Alina and Safa. And Umema. Okay, you're going to repeat after me now. Turn on your mic. Sayyid, Safa, Alina, and Umema. Okay? Yes, come on. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Umema, I'm telling you fan. F-A-N, fan. I-S is I-N in T-H-E, the. Van. V-A-N, van. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, Tamanna, Taiba, and Farin. Now your turn, okay? Third line, okay? This is third line. Okay. A-M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. I-S is B-Y by C-H-E, the. The van, van, V-A-N, van. Very good, very good, very nice. Yes. Now Ayat, Tazmeen. Yes. Ayat, Tazmeen, Anaya Thakur. Anaya Thakur. Come on, read with me, okay? A. Wait, Tazmeen, repeat after me, Tazmeen. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. C-A-T, cat. I-S is O-N, on. T-H-E, the. Mat, M-A-T, mat. Mat, very good, very good, very good.
Yes. क्योंकि मैं से मुझे नहीं पूछ रहे हैं
Yes. Ready? Now next is Safa. Come on, Safa. Read after me. Yes.
S
A A R A T rat.
I A T
I S is
I
O N on
O
A
A
B A T bat.
B A bat.
A rat is
A rat is on
on a bat.
a bat.
Okay, very good, very good. Now the last line will repeat everyone with me. Okay, last line टीचर के साथ सब लोग रीड करेंगे. A H A T hat. H A T hat. I S is O N on. T H E the. R A T rat. Okay, a hat is on the rat. Okay, now everyone will pay attention here. Teacher is going to explain you this lesson. ठीक है, टीचर आपको ये lesson explain कर रहे हैं. Okay, ready everyone? See, first line is see. First see the picture. One red van is there. वैन के अंदर एक फैन है, आपको दिख रहा है. वैन के अंदर एक फैन है. Yes. वैन के पीछे एक मैन है. मैन मीन्स आदमी. ओके, एंड वन ट्री इज देयर. ट्री के पास एक बैट है. सी, यू कैन सी द बैट. क्रिकेट बैट, BAT बैट. यस, बैट के ऊपर एक छोटू सा स्मॉल सा रैट है. रैट मीन्स चूहा. एंड रैट के हेड के ऊपर एक हैट है. क्या है? हैट है. हैट, HAT हैट. ब्लैक कलर की आपको दिख रही है हैट. यस. हाँ, नाउ हियर यू कैन सी इन द मिडल. ट्री के बाजू में, वैन के बाजू में आपको मैट दिख रही है. मैट मीन्स चटाई. पता है ना आप लोगों को? आपके घर में होती है ना, जिसपे हम लोग बिछा के बैठते हैं. यस, दैट इज मैट. MAT मैट. एंड मैट के ऊपर एक फैट कैट है. कैसी कैट है? फैट कैट. चबी चबी, मोटी मोटी कैट है. कैट, कैट तो आपको सबको पता है. बिल्ली, म्याऊ. फैट कैट है. फैट कैट. Okay, now I'm going to read the lesson and going to explain you one by one sentence. Okay, first sentence. A man ran to the van. You have to read with the spelling. आपको read कैसे करना है? AMAN man, RAN ran, TO2, THE the, VAN van. A man ran to the van means जो मैन है वो वैन के पीछे भाग रहा है. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. पिक्चर में देख रहे ना आप लोग? पीछे एक आदमी है ना? पीछे एक मैन है जो वैन के पीछे भाग रहा है. क्या कर रहा है? भाग रहा है. वैन रैन टू द वैन मतलब वैन के पीछे भाग रहे. ओके, now the next sentence is FAN fan. IS is INN THE the. Sorry, VAN van. A fan is in the van. Fan means पता है आप लोगों को? Yes, आप लोगों के घर में होता है ना फैन. यस, दैट इज द फैन. बट यहाँ पे टेबल फैन होता है ना, वो है. और वैन के अंदर आपको दिख रहा है. यस, यू कैन सी द फैन इन द वैन. फैन इन द वैन मीन्स वैन के अंदर है. ओके, IN इन मीन्स अंदर. फैन इज इन द वैन, वैन के अंदर है. ओके, yes, very good, Tasmin. Now third sentence. MAT mat. IS is BY by THE the, VAN van. A mat is by the van. मतलब मैट, मैट तो पता है आप लोगों को, MAT मैट पता है ना. Yes, is by the van. By the van means van के बाजू में है. You can see ना, आप लोग को दिख रहा है ना. वैन के बाजू में रेड कलर की वैन है, वैन के बाजू में मैट है. यस, मैट, चटाई, MAT मैट. A fat cat, A, next line, FAT fat, CAT cat, IS is, ON on, THE the, MAT mat means a fat cat is on the mat. Fat cat, एक fat cat मैट के ऊपर है ना, ऊपर है मीन्स on the means ऊपर, and in the means अंदर, है ना. जैसे कि हम लोग ने fan is in the van बोले थे, तो van के अंदर था, और cat on the mat है, मैट के ऊपर है. Next sentence, A RAT rat, IS is, ON on, A BAT bat. A rat is on a bat. A rat means chua. Yes, chua. IS is on a bat मतलब bat है. See, for example, this is the bat, on the bat, bat के ऊपर है ना. जैसे कि हम लोग ने बोले थे cat is on the mat. Yes, जैसे mat के ऊपर थी वैसे ही rat भी bat के ऊपर है. Okay. Yes, on means ऊपर and in means अंदर. And the last one, HAT hat, IS is, ON on, THE the, RAT rat. A hat is on the rat. मतलब रैट है ना, रैट आपको दिख रहा है ना, रैट के ऊपर, बैट के ऊपर रैट है, और रैट के ऊपर क्या है, हैट है. ओके, बैट है, बैट के ऊपर रैट है, रैट के ऊपर हैट है. ओके, नाउ सी हियर आई एम गोइंग टू सर्कल 3 लेटर वर्ड्स. ओके, लिसन वन थिंग, ये आप सबको रीडिंग सीखना है, ठीक है. टीचर पढ़ाएंगे जब भी आपको रीड करना है, बिकॉज इट विल कम इन योर एग्जाम. ये एग्जाम में आएगा आपके, आपको रीडिंग करना आना चाहिए. ओके, यस एवरीवन. यस, नाउ सी हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड 2 लेटर वर्ड्स, है ना. हम लोग ने 2 लेटर वर्ड्स कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट 3 लेटर वर्ड्स. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the 3 letter words from this lesson. ठीक है, टीचर आपको डैश करके बताएंगे यहाँ पे 3 letter words कौन से है. Okay, see, first is MAN man. Okay, then you take the pencil and underline the 3 letter words with me. पेंसिल ले लेंगे आप लोग, टीचर के साथ 3 letter words अंडरलाइन करेंगे. ओके, टीचर बता रहे आपको. First one is MAN man. Okay, and the next is RAN ran. Okay, MAN man, RAN ran, van, VAN van, VAN van. Okay, next is, next line, FAN fan. VAN van. Okay, now third line, sorry, MAT mat. Then again van, VAN van. Now fourth line. FAT fat. नहीं. FAN fan. Okay, now next is CAT cat. CAT cat. Okay, FAT fat, CAT cat, and the third one is MAT mat. Okay. Yes. Now the second last line. RAT rat. RAT rat. BAT bat. Yes. Now the last line. HAT hat. And RAT rat. Okay. In this lesson, we are going to write 3-letter words. Okay. From 2-letter word A and an and AT add. Okay. Chalo. Done everyone? Everyone has underlined? Yes. Yes. Done everyone? Yes. Now very good. Now open page number 6. That this is the page number 7. Now open page number 6. See, you can see the pictures and the 3-letter words here. है ना? यहाँ पे 3-letter words भी है and pictures भी है. We'll read, okay? First. See, first A and N. A and N हम लोग ने 2-letter words लिखे है ना? So by adding one more alphabet, we can make 3-letter words to it. Okay? Yes. A and N. A and N is 2-letter word. इसमें क्या करेंगे हम? All letters join करेंगे. See, I'll show you. Okay. I'll show you. Okay. See, we'll do on the whiteboard first. See, that is A and N. Okay, this is the 2-letter words. Okay, so we'll add some of the words and we'll make a new word from it. Okay, हम लोग एक new word उसमें बनाएंगे. For example, see, this is A and N. This is the 2-letter word. Okay, and this is AT at. Okay. This is 8. Who's writing on the screen? This is AT at. So I'll show you when by adding one alphabet, one letter in it, we can make a 3-letter word. Okay. For example, A and Anna. So if we add C in it, so it will be CA and can. है ना? हम लोग इसमें C add कर देंगे. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा CA and can. In that way, if we write B, then by adding B, A and N, it will be B, A and ban, है ना? आप लोग 6 पेज नंबर पे देख सकते हो. चलो, now Tasmin, say any one letter. कौन सा लेटर हम लोग मिलाएंगे तो न्यू वर्ड? Yes.
Yeah.
Which letter we are going to add? कौन सा लेटर हम लोग ऐड करेंगे तो न्यू लेटर बनेगा, न्यू वर्ड बनेगा? F. Okay. F, A and fan. Okay. Very good. Now, Alina, come on, you say.
F.
हो गया. Next.
Next.
M.
M, A and man. Very good, Alina. Very nice. Very good. Yes. Come on, Umema, you say.
P. A. and pen.
P, A and pen. Okay, very good. Come on, Farin, you say. Yes. The voice is not coming proper, dear. Say loudly. B, A and van. Okay. B, A and van. Okay, very good. Yes. Now, Mehak. Chalo, Mehak, come on, you say. Yes, Mehak, say dear. Yes. Ran, dear. R, A and ran. Okay. मीन्स जैसे कि ये 2 लेटर वर्ड्स है, इसमें हम लोग कोई एक अल्फा लेटर मिलाएंगे तो वो 3 लेटर वर्ड बन जाएंगे. ओके. इज नाउ सेम लाइक दैट वी कैन मेक द वर्ड्स फॉर AT at. ओके. AT at. ओके. Yes. Askia, come on, we can say. Like this, B-A-T, bat, है ना? We have added the letter B. C-A-T, cat. Yes, we have added the letter C. हम लोग ने C ऐड की है तो ये C-A-T, cat बन गया. F-A-T, fat. हम लोग ने F ऐड की है तो ये क्या वर्ड बन गया? F-A-T, fat. Yes. H-A-T, sorry. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. Okay. Like this. P-A-T, pat. R-A-T, rat. S-A-T, sat. Okay. These are the 3 letter words we are going to write in the next session. Alishba, what happened here? You cannot hear my voice. Yes. See here. Now we'll see the pictures. Okay. हम लोग अभी pictures देखेंगे. Come on. B, A and ban. B, A and ban. The word ban. A and we'll add the word B, so it will become B, A and ban. Next, can. C, A and can. See, can. You know the can? Can आता है ना, पता है आप लोगों को? Can. Fan. F-A and fan. You all know fan very well. Fan आपको सबको पता है. R-A and ran. Ran means ran. Okay. Now next, T, A, and tan. Tan picture is not giving anything. Okay. Last one is V, A, and van. Van means पता है आप लोगों को, you all know van very well. Now, AT, at. So BAT, bat. BAT, bat. CAT, cat. CAT, cat. FAT, fat. FAT, fat. HAT, hat. HAT, hat. MAT, mat. MAT, mat. PAT, pet. PAT, pet. Pat means you all know प्यार करते हैं ना, जैसे कि if you are holding a cat, आप लोग cat को पकड़े हो तो cat को ऐसे प्यार करते हो ना, that is called pat. Okay, pat. Now RAT, that. RAT, that. And SAT, sad. Sad means bed now. Okay, SAT, sad. Okay, so these are the 3-letter words you all have to learn and by heart it. ठीक है, सबको पढ़ना है. And in next session we are going to start writing work for 3-letter words. Okay, next session में हम लोग writing work करेंगे 3-letter words का. In cursive we have to write in cursive. Okay, yes, cursive में लिखना है हम सबको. Okay, for the next session. अच्छा, now if you want to ask anything you can ask me right now. अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है तो आप लोग अभी ये सेशन में पूछ लो, because next session में we have to do the writing work. Okay, want to ask anything, want to having any questions, कुछ question पूछना है. सबको lesson समझ गया? Yes, lesson समझ गया, read करना है आपको पता चल गया? Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. Everyone understood. Very good. Yes, Zara, Inaya, Shah Inaya. Yes, Anaya. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Anaya?
Teacher, what did you do in last lecture?
In last lecture, we have done the oral work. We have done the rhymes, counting numbers.
I know
these of
them.
Yes, you are not there now. No problem. You are fine now. You are feeling well now.
You're feeling well, Anaya?
Not feeling well.
Say to the teacher.
Not feeling well, dear.
What happened?
What
happened to you? Tell. Show
You
where
have-
the truth.
You're having fever now? Yes.
The English.
Injection.
Okay. So you're fine now. You can attend the session. Yes. Very good. Mashallah. Very nice. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome, dear. Okay. Come on. We'll meet in the next session. Okay, everyone. Okay. For the writing work. So be prepared with your 1-number notebook
Okay.
and pencil eraser. And tell your mama to make 4
Then
columns.
send Rambo.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, dear.
Rainbow.
You want rainbow?
Come.
You have to
I
color
will
the
come
rainbow.
India school.
Okay. Okay.
I
I'll
will come
send.
India school.
Yes. Yes. I'll send you. Okay. You will do the color. You fill the color and then show me. Okay. Very good.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Allah Hafiz everyone. Assalamu alaikum. We are going to meet in the next session. Aisha, which Aisha want to say? Yes, Survi Aisha, say.
मिस मेरे को सैटरडे को पेंसिल नहीं मिली थी.